Okay, welcome to options trading for a living. This is the second section, and what we're going to do is talking about if you had to make a living trading put options, what would you do? And the professional traders have a saying that puts are not your friends, but they are indispensable for hedging or if you're just plain outright bearish. So let's look at what that would have been like had you been trading Apple on the way down from it was 200, but on the way down on the screen here we have it trading at 50.57. So we'll look at the price that if you had been trading it on the way down from 57 to 50, you would have bought these puts here. We also think that there's only one way to trade options from a retail perspective, and that is from the long side. It's just too damn hard to be short these things. If you want to be short put verticals, that's another thing. But you can see over here the put verticals are 30 cents. The puts themselves are almost $2. So back to trading them from the long side. Had you been buying these puts when you were at the money 57, this is probably the price, give or take 20 cents, 30 cents. You would have paid this price here, 178. Where are they now with the stock at 150? Those puts are trading around $7. Now, I only have 57 and a halves, and it was almost a full 8 points lower when the stock bottomed. So if you had been trading these on the way down, you would have paid this price, and they would be trading at the bottom at this price. So you have to be the one to manage the buy and sell points. You can take a lot of advice from your charts and etc., but there's really no other way to do it. We do have some management things that are suggested, which is if you buy something for $1.75 and it gets to be $3.50, somewhere north of this price, sell half of them. If you've got 10, sell 5, because the rest of your trade is free. And then you can, if it keeps on going, you can achieve something closer to this price. And that's what you need to do as a retail trader, and that's how you trade puts from the long side. Again, that's what we recommend, and I wouldn't really do it any other way. Thanks for your interest.